How you doing, you good-looking sons of bitches? I forgot to turn the camera on until now. I do this every year. I forget to start the camera every year. But today is Sturgis load day. So I just got my rig and pulled it from the storage lot, and we gotta load libations, clothing, various accoutrements, and these two big-ass Harleys in there. So let's watch do that. So real quick, people always ask all the time, like, tell us about this rig, and I've done it a few times, but I know some of you are new to the channel. Welcome. So mine is a 2020, I think it is, Heartland Fuel 305. It's windy, so I'm gonna try and get inside real quick. Pulled by my new 1-ton GMC. I hope they don't care that I parked my front tire in their easement, whatever. But ramp is down. Again, she's 36 feet long, and here's the garage space. Ramp, Condor chalk. I have two of those. Borrowed a third for a buddy's bike. I'm bringing it home. The 131 bike's gonna go here because it's got the biggest ass, the tour pack, so I'm gonna move it forward a little bit. And then the other one, the wife's bike, will be set back, I don't know, 9 inches. Isn't that 9 inches? Back a little bit because it'll be, you know, still have 6 inches to the ramp. But done this a bunch of times, but I forget every year to start the camera. So a tour of the rig, AM, FM, CD, DVD, pimp zone violators will be bitch slapped. Isn't that appropriate? Why are you quiet today? You're never quiet.
My hand really hurts.
Your hand hurts so bad you're quiet? Oh, she screwed up her throttle hand not that long ago. We're hoping it's better by the time she gets started. TV, lots of storage. You guys have seen me do this before. Microwave, propane stove. This is a slide, if you don't know. And it's in, so when it goes out, this is like 350 square feet. What was that? You really gonna do that on camera? Bathroom with a radius shower. We're moving in, so you know, excuse the mess. Bedroom. Oh, we forgot to put sheets on the bed. Yeah. King size RV king, which is like, I don't know, a few inches smaller than a regular king, but tons of storage again. Another little TV with a DVD. Perfect for us, man. It's a little bigger than we planned on buying, but now I'm glad we didn't go smaller because things would not have fit. Hi! Okay, so let's go ahead and have me load the red bike and y'all will be terrified. All right. If I fall, call an ambulance. Okay. A butt-puckering moment. Oh shit. Turn on your trailer mode. So you basically turn it on, turn it off, both turn signals. And I think that did it. My gauges aren't stopped. Yeah, there you go. Alright. So now, I four-corner strap it down with a strap above the fender mount, down to there, and then either the rear swing arm or the passenger floorboard mounts. And that, you know, you always have to say, she ain't going nowhere. Now the CVO. That guy's tired. half dead, it's because I am fat guy. Truck's at 107. I just got to take it home, but they're loaded. Again, so I pull this one forward just a little bit. I mean, really, it's not a problem this time, but on the way home, it will be a little more because I'm going to have a third bike. The brother's coming up from Florida with his club, and have another Condor chalk here, and then it'll be right in the middle there, so it'll be a little more complicated. But you got 4 rhino straps, 2 front, 2 rear, soft straps around the forks is how I do it. Someone's gonna say they know better and they don't. And then I use the rear crash bars on her bike and then the rear floorboard mounts on mine. You know, you just want to squat them down good, and you have to do this. It's like man mojo here. That ain't going anywhere. That ain't going anywhere. You have to do that. Like, I've already done it, but you gotta do it on camera just to show. So yeah, when I get to St. Louis, I'm at least gonna unload that one. Hopefully the missus' hand, I don't know what, too many jokes, but I don't know what happened with her hand, but she got arthritis or something weird in her friggin' throttle hand. So hopefully I'll talk her into waiting until we get to Sturgis, just a few more days. You know, not in the saddle, that probably ain't gonna work. So anyway, pull them out, have a little fun in my hometown for a couple days and load them back up. That's it, man. I mean, this rig, even though we got more truck now than we used to, and we could get a 5th wheel, we really like this one. Like, it fits us, you know. Like, the little one sleeps in that bed up top, and then, you know, for Sturgis this year, the old man will sleep in the bed down below. I got a king-size bed. I mean, yeah, 50 amp with dual ACs would be good, but I can just stand like this. That's nice. And I have a portable air conditioner I run in the front room. So I can effectively freeze us out of here. Really, like, that 15K cools just this room when I open the main blast vent, and then I got a portable AC in the bedroom up there, and that cools just me and the missus in the magic room. Shower fits my fat ass just fine. I mean, it really does. And the ceiling's really high because it's a toy hauler, so it fits me fine. Changed the toilet for a porcelain for a porcelain, just because I don't like the idea of taking a crap in a Home Depot bucket, which is what it feels like when your toilet's plastic. Things are still disheveled and non-ordered. I think I have enough toilet paper. I mean, you know, yeah. Oh, she did put those in there. Look at that. She's so good. Shoving towels in there and stuff. So yeah, I mean, we're set, man. A mirror for me to do my makeup in. Those towel hooks haven't come down yet, shockingly. Now that I've said that, they will. They've been up there for 2 years. There's a sheet sitting on the bed, not actually put on the bed, so we didn't get all the way there, evidently. That'll be for me to do when I'm exhausted. And my first stop night, there's my portable AC that was over there, so obviously it's going for a little trip around the bedroom, so I gotta fix that. Closets on either side. We don't hang nothing. I mean, I'm sure people do, especially if they full-time, but when we go camping, we don't have hanging clothes. It's t-shirts, you know, rolled up and thrown in there. That's it. That is important, and I hope I remember it this year. Right on that ledge is a Harley die-cast Road King special that we bought last year to put on Pappy's grave. Pappy Hoyle's the founder of the Sturgis Rally, and it's a ritual that you bring Pappy a new motorcycle, and you put it on his grave. And I brought it last year. It's been sitting there since. I don't know how we forgot, but we did, so I feel awful about that. But this year, I gotta remember, man. That's just terrible to bring him his bike and not give it to him. So, and those are open. That's great. So another thing, last thing I need to do before I leave is go check every door, because I don't know if your wife is like mine. She can only open drawers and doors. She can't close them. There's something in there that she just like opens it, just leaves it open. And on an RV, when stuff's open, shit goes flying in all directions going down the road. So I have to, oh, that drawer's open. I can see from here. Yep. All right. So let me sign off here and check every door and drawer in this whole rig to make sure that they're actually closed. I'm sure they're not. So let me know what I should have done in this video and didn't, if you want to know about how I load every year. You saw me make a fool of myself loading up. Little mini tour of the rig and my little home for the next couple weeks, but you know, let me know. Love you all to death out there. Take care of each other. Give me some ideas in the comment section for things you definitely want to see in Sturgis. I'll do my best, but it isn't easy, because you know, you get up there and you get pulled a lot of different ways for a lot of different reasons. So take care of each other out there. We'll talk real soon. Bye.